Alofa lava o lo ingoa o Leulua'iali'i Eseta, o te sau mai whale lima, Salailua, ngangai whalewhanga, whale alupo. Ia, e tele lava motu ma alalawhanga I Sāmoa te sau ai, ia ai.
Ta alofa ki rana, lo ingoa Isaac I sa aku. E te sau ai o Iwa Mawaiala, and Avarua in the Cook Islands from my other side.
Main role I le taimi nei, I'm an emergency call take support I te tono Wellington Free. I also do event medic, whaini whaala putunga te tele Wellington, e manao mi ai mātou, na mātou ola ia within the community. Recently, the past 2-3 years, na o loo mātou whaiase pokala me ta o le Pacifica Heartbeat, o le au-aunanga lava le tamwhai le nei pokala me o le tamwhai lea ine ia mawase mātou connection ma le mamalo le au Pacifica within living in Wellington, teaching CPR, o le si me tā walia o le mātou target lea sa mātou tamwhai lava ina ia mawhaiona mātou mawas mātou whisota inga ia mo tangata Pacifica I te tono o Wellington. But those are some of the roles lo o iai le taimi nei.
I've been here for a paramedic for 15 years now with Wellington Free Ambulance. Currently working in our clinical hub, so those are paramedics that work in the call centre, so upstairs, helping our patients and paramedics over the phone. I wear a couple of other hats as well, working heartbeat with Seka and our brother Kevin, who started off our program, working as a shift manager, as well as the current training operations lead for our clinical hub.
For me personally, we'll say we're quite honoured, very privileged, but we'll say mitamatanga fo ilea mo mātou Pacifica e mese lava ma ua Samoa o loo whaingaluenga I te tono o le nei au nanga I Wellington Free Ambulance. You know, I've noa le au maua, but you know, to be selected out of the Pacific countries as one of your own. Very honoured, very grateful to the Rotary Club.
Extremely humbled and proud, especially. It's not just us sending an ambulance out to Samoa, it's sending out the work that we do to our people and being able to share the love and support we have for our communities, and now we take it with the ambulance out to Samoa now, and it's humbling to know that we'll be able to carry on the work in a way to our people back home.